Hey, how you doing? Are you smelling particularly fragrantly today? I am, also I've just been told. The thing is, I'm doing this because after a period of time, I've been asked quite a lot, what's your skincare regime? Well, it's quite simple for me. In short, I'm a very early riser in the shower, and I use one of those scrubs to tell me to get rid of all that rubbish that's on your face. I bought into it, yeah, okay. I bought into it, and then it's a wet shave, always a wet shave for me, and I will use some aftershave balm, something of that nature. Really do like this one by Acqua di Parma. It's no sponsorship, as you know from me. Do enjoy that. And before I get dressed, I might give myself a spray around. And the typical one for me, one that I always come back to, is equally by Acqua di Parma. There you go. It's the Essenza. Really do like it. I'm told it's got patchouli notes in it and vetiver notes in it. Notes being a word that I've learned, been taught. But yeah, if I've strayed from this, whatever else I've been given or got, it's got the same sort of notes to it, so there must be something in it. So that's a thing that works for me. In terms of putting it on and using it regularly, after a while I don't notice it on myself, but those very nearest and dear to me, she tells me that this is certainly my aroma, it's my thing. So yeah, really do like this one, always come back to it. I'd be interested if you've got anything with those same notes that you could let me know too, so I can have a play around. Let me know down below. I hope that's useful. Hope to speak to you soon.